Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. You've probably heard the word keto thrown around a lot lately, but what is this mysterious keto diet everyone's buzzing about? The ketogenic diet, or keto, shifts your body's primary fuel source. Instead of carbs, the keto diet trains your body to burn fat for fuel. This switch forces your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. The keto diet emphasizes healthy fats while limiting unhealthy trans fats and processed foods. So that's the basic idea behind the keto diet, a shift in fuel sources for better health. You might be surprised to learn that the keto diet isn't some trendy new fad. It's actually been around for almost a century. The ketogenic diet was initially developed in the 1920s as a treatment for epilepsy, specifically in children who didn't respond well to traditional medication. Doctors found that inducing ketosis through a high-fat, low-carb diet could significantly reduce the frequency and severity of seizures. This discovery sparked further research into the benefits of the keto diet for various health issues. While it remains a valuable tool in managing epilepsy, the keto diet has gained significant popularity in recent years for its potential weight loss and other health benefits. The keto diet's journey from a medical treatment to a mainstream phenomenon is a testament to its effectiveness and the growing awareness of the interconnectedness between our diet and overall health. Okay, we've covered what the keto diet is and where it came from, but what's with the hype? Why has this way of eating become so popular? Well, there are a few key reasons why people are flocking to the keto lifestyle. For starters, many people experience significant weight loss on the keto diet. When your body enters ketosis, it becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy, leading to noticeable changes in body composition. Many people report feeling more energized and mentally focused on the keto diet. When your body runs on ketones, a type of fuel produced during ketosis, it provides a more stable and sustained energy source compared to the sugar highs and crashes associated with a high-carb diet. The keto diet has also been linked to numerous health benefits beyond weight loss, such as improved blood sugar control, reduced inflammation, and even potential benefits for brain health. All right, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of how the keto diet actually works. It all boils down to understanding how our bodies use fuel for energy. Think of your body like a car and food as the fuel that keeps it running. Just like cars can run on gasoline or electricity, our bodies can use carbohydrates or fat for energy. By drastically reducing our intake of carbohydrates, we force our bodies to find an alternative fuel source: fat. When we deprive our bodies of their primary fuel source, carbs, they go into a metabolic state called ketosis. In ketosis, our bodies become incredibly efficient at breaking down stored fat into molecules called ketones, which then travel through the bloodstream and provide energy to our cells. Now let's talk more about ketosis. This metabolic state that's at the heart of the keto diet. Ketosis is like unlocking your body's fat-burning superpower. It's a natural process that occurs when your body doesn't have enough carbohydrates to burn for energy. Instead of relying on glucose from carbs, your body turns to stored fat as its primary fuel source. When your body enters ketosis, your liver starts breaking down stored fat into ketones, which are then released into your bloodstream and used as energy by your cells, including your brain. While weight loss is a major reason why people turn to the keto diet, the benefits of ketosis extend far beyond shedding pounds. Studies have shown that ketosis can have a positive impact on various aspects of our health. For instance, ketosis has been linked to improved blood sugar control, particularly in individuals with type 2 diabetes. Moreover, ketosis has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects in the body, potentially lowering the risk of developing chronic diseases. Let's zoom in on the relationship between the keto diet and insulin, as it plays a crucial role in the body's metabolic processes. Insulin is a hormone produced by the pancreas that regulates blood sugar levels. When we eat carbohydrates, our bodies break them down into glucose, which enters the bloodstream. This spike in blood sugar triggers the release of insulin, which acts like a key, unlocking the doors of our cells to allow glucose to enter and be used for energy. The keto diet, with its emphasis on reducing carbohydrate intake, can help improve insulin sensitivity by lowering the overall demand for insulin. One of the remarkable aspects of the keto diet is its impact on brain function. Our brains are highly energy-demanding organs, and they rely on a constant supply of fuel to function optimally. While glucose from carbohydrates is the brain's preferred fuel source, ketones produced during ketosis can serve as an excellent alternative fuel. Some studies suggest that ketones may provide a more efficient and sustainable energy source for the brain compared to glucose. This could be why many people report experiencing increased mental clarity, focus, and even improved memory when following a ketogenic diet. By switching from glucose to ketones as its primary fuel source, your brain can potentially operate at a higher level, leading to enhanced cognitive performance. All right, are you ready to embark on your keto journey? It's exciting to think about the positive changes this way of eating can bring to your life, from shedding those extra pounds to experiencing that boost of mental clarity. But before you dive headfirst into the world of avocados and bacon, let's talk about how to start the keto diet safely and effectively. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. The key is to ease into it gradually, allowing your body time to adapt to this new way of fueling itself. First things first, you'll want to calculate your macros. On the keto diet, you'll significantly reduce your carb intake while increasing your healthy fat consumption. There are online calculators and apps that can help you determine your personalized macro targets based on your individual needs and goals. Now for the fun part, grocery shopping. Embracing the keto lifestyle means filling your kitchen with whole, unprocessed foods that will nourish your body and keep you feeling satisfied. Let's start with the foundation of the keto diet. Healthy fats. Avocado will be your new best friend. This creamy, nutrient-packed fruit is a keto staple. Load up on other healthy fats like olive oil, coconut oil, nuts, especially almonds, walnuts, and macadamia nuts. And seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds. Don't forget about fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. They're not only delicious, but also packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your heart and brain. Next up, protein. Choose high-quality protein sources like grass-fed beef, pasture-raised poultry, chicken, turkey, eggs, and seafood. As you're filling your cart with those keto-friendly goodies, there are a few carb culprits you'll want to bid farewell to. I know it can be tough to say goodbye to some of these, but remember, it's all about making sustainable changes that will benefit your health in the long run. First on the list are sugary drinks. Sodas, fruit juices, sweetened teas, sports drinks. These are all loaded with sugar and will quickly kick you out of ketosis. The same goes for processed foods and refined grains. White bread, pasta, rice, pastries, breakfast cereals, these are all highly processed and contain refined carbohydrates that can spike your blood sugar levels and hinder your progress on keto. Speaking of sugar, it's time to say see you later to those sugary treats. Candy, chocolate, cookies, cakes, ice cream, these are all off limits on the keto diet. Now that you have a good grasp of what to eat and what to avoid on keto, let's talk about meal planning. Planning your meals in advance can be a game changer. It helps you stay organized and ensures a variety of nutrients. Here's a sample keto meal plan for inspiration. Monday. Breakfast. Scrambled eggs with spinach and smoked salmon. Lunch. Grilled chicken salad with avocado. Dinner. Salmon with roasted asparagus. Tuesday. Breakfast. Keto smoothie with almond milk and spinach. Lunch, leftover salmon with mixed greens. Dinner, ground beef stir-fry with cauliflower rice. Wednesday breakfast, 2 hard-boiled eggs with avocado. Lunch, tuna salad, lettuce wraps. Dinner, chicken and vegetable skewers. Thursday breakfast, keto pancakes with berries. Lunch, leftover chicken skewers. Dinner, shrimp scampi with zucchini noodles. Friday breakfast, keto chia seed pudding with berries. Lunch, salad with grilled chicken or steak. Dinner, keto pizza with cauliflower crust. Saturday breakfast, bacon and eggs with avocado. Hydration is key. Water, electrolytes, and keto. Hydration is essential, especially on the keto diet. Keto reduces carbs, leading to rapid water weight loss. Carbs bind to water in your body, replenish fluids and electrolytes to avoid dehydration. Electrolytes are vital for muscle contractions and fluid balance. Reduced carbs increase electrolyte excretion. Aim for half your body weight in ounces of water daily. Listen to your body. Common keto flu symptoms. As your body transitions into ketosis, you might experience some temporary side effects, often referred to as the keto flu, but don't worry, it's not actually the flu and it usually subsides within a few days. The keto flu is simply your body adjusting to its new fuel source. Common symptoms include headaches, fatigue, brain fog, irritability, nausea, and constipation. These symptoms are often caused by electrolyte imbalances and dehydration, which is why it's crucial to stay hydrated and replenish electrolytes. Here are some tips to combat the keto flu. Increase your water intake. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Replenish electrolytes. Consume electrolyte-rich drinks or supplements. Increase your salt intake. Don't be afraid to add a pinch of salt to your meals or drinks. Get enough rest. Allow your body time to adapt by getting adequate sleep. And be patient. Remember that the keto flu is temporary and will pass as your body adjusts. Navigating the keto maze, common pitfalls to avoid. Embarking on the ketogenic diet can feel like navigating a maze, especially when you're first starting out. It's a whole new way of eating with its own set of rules and guidelines. But fear not, my fellow keto adventurers, because I'm here to guide you around those common pitfalls that can trip up even the most well-intentioned beginners. And one of the biggest mistakes people make on keto is not getting enough electrolytes. Remember how we talked about the importance of electrolytes, especially during the initial stages of the diet when you're shedding water weight? Well, not replenishing those electrolytes can lead to a host of unpleasant symptoms like headaches, fatigue, muscle cramps, and even heart palpitations. So make sure you're drinking plenty of water and consuming electrolyte-rich beverages or supplements. Keto faux pas, dietary slip-ups, and how to recover. Let's face it, we're all human, and slip-ups happen, especially when you're making a significant dietary change like keto. You might accidentally eat a slice of bread at a restaurant, or maybe you couldn't resist that birthday cake at your friend's party. The good news is that one slip-up won't completely derail your progress. The key is to acknowledge the slip-up, forgive yourself, and get right back on track. Think of it like a minor detour on a road trip. It might delay your arrival time slightly, but it doesn't mean you have to abandon the entire journey. If you do find yourself having indulged in a high-carb meal, don't panic. Simply resume your regular keto eating plan at your next meal. Your body is incredibly adaptable, and it will quickly switch back into ketosis. To minimize the impact of a slip-up, you can try incorporating some light exercise, such as a brisk walk or some yoga, which can help your body utilize any excess glucose. Remember, it's all about progress, not perfection. One of the biggest challenges people face when transitioning to the keto diet is dealing with carb cravings. After all, our bodies are used to running on carbs, and it can take some time for our taste buds and our brains to adjust to this new way of eating. But fear not, my keto comrades, because there are strategies you can employ to conquer those cravings and stay strong on your keto journey. One effective strategy is to ensure you're eating enough healthy fats. Remember, fat is incredibly satiating, meaning it keeps you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods. So when those carb cravings hit, reach for a handful of nuts, a slice of avocado, or a spoonful of nut butter. Another helpful tip is to stay hydrated. Sometimes our bodies confuse thirst for hunger, and we might reach for a sugary snack when all we really need is a refreshing glass of water. So make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and keep those cravings at bay. We've talked about the importance of hydration on the keto diet, but let's delve a bit deeper into the significance of electrolytes and how to address any imbalances that might occur. Electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium play a crucial role in maintaining fluid balance, nerve function, muscle contractions, and overall health. When you're on a ketogenic diet, your body excretes more electrolytes through urine, especially during the initial stages of the diet. This increased excretion is due to the diuretic effect of ketones, the shift in fluid balance, and the reduced intake of electrolyte-rich foods like fruits and some vegetables. To prevent electrolyte imbalances and ensure optimal hydration, it's essential to replenish those lost electrolytes. You can do this by consuming electrolyte-rich beverages such as bone broth, coconut water, or electrolyte-infused water. Adding a pinch of sea salt to your meals can also help replenish sodium levels. If you're experiencing symptoms of electrolyte imbalance, such as headaches, fatigue, muscle cramps, or dizziness, you might consider supplementing with electrolytes. Keto and exercise. Finding the right balance for your body. As you embark on your keto journey, you might be wondering how this new way of eating will affect your exercise routine. The good news is that the ketogenic diet can actually enhance athletic performance in some ways, but it's essential to listen to your body and find the right balance for your individual needs. When your body is in ketosis, it becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for fuel. This metabolic shift can be advantageous for endurance activities, such as long-distance running or cycling, as it provides a sustained energy source that can help you power through those miles. However, it's important to note that during the initial stages of the keto diet, you might experience a temporary decrease in athletic performance as your body adapts to using ketones as its primary fuel source. This adaptation phase is completely normal and usually subsides within a few weeks. During this time, it's crucial to listen to your body, adjust your exercise intensity as needed, and prioritize rest and recovery. As your body becomes more keto adapted, you might find that you have more energy and endurance during your workouts. Ready, set, keto. So there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through the ins and outs of the ketogenic diet, from its fascinating history as a treatment for epilepsy to its rise as a global health phenomenon. We've explored the science behind how this high-fat, low-carb way of eating can help you shed those extra pounds, boost your energy levels, and even sharpen your mental focus. Remember that car analogy? By switching your body's fuel source from carbs to fat, you're essentially transforming your metabolism into a fat-burning machine. It's like trading in your old gas guzzler for a sleek electric vehicle that runs on the power of ketones. We've also busted some common myths and misconceptions surrounding the keto diet because, let's face it, there's a lot of misinformation out there. Keto is not about depriving yourself or surviving on sticks of butter and bacon alone. It's about embracing whole, unprocessed foods, prioritizing healthy fats, and nourishing your body from the inside out. And hey, who can argue with a diet that allows you to enjoy delicious foods like avocados, nuts, cheese, and even the occasional keto-friendly treat? Listen to your body. It's your greatest guide. As you embark on your keto adventure, remember that your body is your greatest guide. Everyone's different, and what works for one person might not work for another. Pay attention to how your body responds to this new way of eating. If you experience any negative side effects, don't hesitate to adjust your approach. Maybe you need to increase your water intake, tweak your electrolyte balance, or experiment with different types of keto-friendly foods. It's all about finding what works best for you and your unique needs. Remember, the keto diet is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a journey of self-discovery where you learn to listen to your body's signals and make choices that support your overall health and well-being. Don't be afraid to seek guidance from healthcare professionals, such as registered dietitians or certified keto coaches who can provide personalized support and help you navigate any challenges you might encounter along the way. Embrace the keto journey. As with any lifestyle change, starting a keto diet requires commitment and consistency. It's not always easy, especially in the beginning, as your body adjusts to this new way of eating. You might experience cravings, temptations, or even a touch of the keto flu as your body transitions into ketosis, but trust me, the potential benefits are worth it. Imagine feeling lighter, more energized, and mentally sharper than ever before. Imagine fitting into your favorite pair of jeans that have been gathering dust in the back of your closet. Imagine having more control over your appetite and cravings, freeing yourself from the constant cycle of sugar highs and crashes. The ketogenic diet is more than just a diet. It's a lifestyle shift that can transform your health and well-being from the inside out. So, are you ready to embrace the keto journey? I encourage you to give it a try and experience the amazing transformation for yourself. Remember, you've got this. Thanks for watching. Until next time, subscribe for more health and wellness tips.